In this short video, I'm going to give you a quick way to make even more money with your Amazon listings. So this is going to increase your conversions now and for months and maybe years after you make these changes. This new update from Amazon is premium A plus content. You've probably heard of A plus content. That's your regular rich media in the description portion. So your photos and your text blocks and things like that. But the premium A plus content, and there is a catch, which I'll explain in a minute, but the premium A plus content has video in it. So for the first time, you can put a video in the description of a product. The navigation carousels, people can click through and scroll through a carousel of images so you can sell more in the same amount of space. Hotspots, you can call out particular products, interlink between products with easy clickable links that are embedded inside of photos. Just looks like a little circle. And Q&A, so questions and answers. That part looks like this. I'll show you that. So if if I scroll down a listing and I'm not quite convinced for some reason, I don't know if I want to walk indoors on this treadmill by the beach here, then it's going to address some common questions that I might have. Now, I don't know that these answers are the most exhaustive, or if these questions are ones that I might ask as a shopper, but this functionality is here, right? Um, so this is a very powerful tool for when you need to convert people, because before there wouldn't have been any Q&A, and maybe they would have read some reviews and maybe they would have bounced off the listing, never to return and never to buy your thing. But now that you have some Q&A, you have one final chance. This is like having a goalie in the net, um, so to speak, for your listing. So it's really powerful. Here is the regular enhanced brand content stuff. This looks kind of flat in comparison, right? Whereas in the new generation, in the premium, we've got the sliders. You can sell more in the same amount of space. We've got the video in the description, and we've got a Q&A. So this is a more built out Q&A section from a different fitness product. So just very compelling stuff. There is a catch, however, which I mentioned earlier, and that is that there are some eligibility criteria. So getting back to this, this is just a post from the Seller Central forums that I have for you here. But you would have had to have published a brand story on Amazon. Send me an email at pat, so P-A-T, at asteroidx, asteroidx.com if you need help with the brand story. It's very simple, but you need to write one up. And you need to have at least 15 approved enhanced brand content submissions, the regular type of enhanced brand content submissions. So if you have those two things, you can then launch, and you're qualified to launch this premium stuff. Again, no harm and no cost, additional cost at the moment. So it's all upside. All you can get are more conversions from this. Archer, free book on exactly everything that an Amazon listing needs for maximum conversion. So I'll drop that book in the comments as well, and I'll see you on the other side. It's a totally free book. It's awesome. I put months of work into it. I hope you like it. I'll see you on the other side.